Good afternoon. I'd like to start thanking the Schiller Institute for giving me the opportunity to express myself in front of such a distinguished audience. That done, and as we are in France, I'll now switch to the French language. That was a joke with the translators. Je voudrais commencer par une confidence personnelle.
I want to start with a personal confidence. It's promised only one. I've been hindered for a long time by an important need to find the answers to all questions brought to me by life. But after a career, 30 years of career in 6 different countries, in the midst of people whose culture is different from mine, 6 different cultures, they learned me that the answers, the most important thing was not to answer all questions, but to live with these questions and to say that answers would come in time, and that it was pointless to impose our own answers on anyone. There are, however, some general principles which must guide us to make our actions legitimate and efficient. It is within these general principles that one can build something without having to get all the answers to every question. So we can go on before having all the answers. At the present moment, the great problem, the great questions, which has sparked a debate, which has caused a lot of concern, unfortunately, a lot of violence and destruction. The issue of our times is the world order. It's a relatively recent question for humanity. A sovereign before made war against his neighbors to extend his territory, to get access to new wealth, but he was limited with his technical questions. The technical means have been ameliorated. They allow
volonté de développement. Si on pense par exemple au développement
if one thinks about
de la marine,
about the marine, development of the navy allowed countries like Great Britain to develop a colonial empire. Today, the means, the technical means which are available to states, they cannot limit they are not anymore limited by their technical means, so they can dream about a hegemony without limits. The bipolar organization, which has prevailed since the end of the Second World War to the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991, this has provided the world with a certain equilibrium. One can think about the balance of terror, but it was also an equilibrium in the realm of the ideas, in the political domain, because each side would represent an alternative, at least theoretically, to the policies of the other. Within each country, people had, if not a choice, at least a point of reference. Among nations, there was indeed a choice. It was a real choice. Many nations were, because each bloc was willing to reward in one way or the other the countries who would join them. The two powers were thus limited in their options. The disappearance of the Soviet Union, with the disappearance of the Soviet Union, this equilibrium has vanished. And it is in this context that one must examine the comment made by Vladimir Putin on the geopolitical catastrophe, quote unquote, which was the disappearance of the Soviet Union, representing, according to him, the Russian Federation has been for almost 15 years a weak power, both economically and politically.
Sa phrase différemment. Je dirais, et je suis de cet avis, la
disparition
de l'URSS est une catastrophe géopolitique.
The disappearance of Russia of the Soviet Union was a catastrophe because a reference disappeared.
L'un des deux pays,
which allowed one of the two countries
de recommencer ou de commencer à rêver
to restart trying to impose a global hegemony.
Alors, à la suite
and
de
in
la
this,
de l'URSS,
that is why it was a
la
catastrophe.
Russie, la Fédération de Russie, qui est
The
successeur,
Russian Federation
a connu 15 années de
had 15 years of big weakness,
politique, économique,
political,
militaire.
economic, and military.
En fait, elle était considérée
And it was considered
le Japon d'après la Deuxième Guerre
like
mondiale.
Germany or Japan after the Second World War,
Décider de sa politique
a
intérieure
country who lost the war,
dans certaines limites et qui avait voix au chapitre
which
dans les relations
Russia could implement freely its internal choices within a certain limit, and it was authorized to play a role in international affairs,
des États-Unis.
but only as a minor participant concerned about American interests. Seeing itself as the winner of the Cold War, the United States has set to build a unipolar world.
80. Attendez, la réunion des deux présidents américains et russes a eu lieu à Malte.
The meeting in Malta in '89,
Et à l'issue de cette réunion, ils avaient signé un communiqué commun disant que
when
la
they
guerre
met,
était terminée et qu'elle se terminait.
and they said that the Cold War was finished without a winner and without a loser.
Dans le feu de la campagne électorale, le candidat président américain a un peu oublié cette remarque.
The candidate president of the US forgot this his own words and start to build a unipolar world. The movement has gained speed after the events of 9/11 with the famous Patriot Act, invasions, civilians being bombed, tortures, kidnapping,
les révolutions de couleur,
color revolutions,
les frappes de drones avec leurs inévitables
targeted drone strikes with their collateral damages.
Les États-Unis ont
Here it gave the terrorists a first victory who had succeeded to transform our lives into a nightmare.
Le terrorisme avait réussi à modifier pour le pire notre mode de vie.
Our way of life
Regardez comment on prend un
is now being
ce qui se passe dans les transports en commun.
contaminated by this security behavior imposed by the terrorists. Today, all of this
On remet en cause
is questioned
la Russie dans son
by Russia,
en oubliant
along with other countries,
j'ai oublié d'ajouter, isolés comme membres d'organisations internationales diverses qui représentent tout de même, excusez-moi,
from different international organizations who represent half of the world population. Nevertheless, but make no mistake about it, it is precisely this point which is at stake here.
L'enjeu n'est pas là. L'enjeu, ce n'est pas l'Ukraine. L'enjeu, ce n'est pas le Donbass.
What's at stake is not Ukraine or Donbass,
allons-nous vers
but what's at stake is
un développement
the world order.
unipolaire?
Are we going towards a unipolar or a multipolar world? That is the issue.
Le drame, c'est que personne ne peut reculer.
Nobody can go back.
À un niveau d'engagement, on est
We're now at a level of commitment which are such nobody can return to the past. Either
les États-Unis,
the US, NATO, and the European Union wins,
et donc
and then Russia is being subjected
dans la foulée,
along with the other BRICS,
pourrait bien aussi
and even possibly China,
et même la Chine. J'ai conscience que la Chine fait
and the control.
Sinon, s'ils ne l'emportent pas, alors vraisemblablement l'emprise
If they don't win,
va se déliter.
then the control over Europe, of the US over Europe will diminish,
disparition de
provoking the disappearance
que beaucoup
of the American hegemony.
J'insiste bien, la dissolution, la disparition de l'hégémonie américaine.
Which many people are calling for.
Des Américains.
And I say their dominion and
C'est pourquoi
not the United States themselves. The stakes are very high, and that's why at the highest level of the governments of China and India went to Moscow on May 9 to show their support for the ceremonies surrounding the 70th anniversary of the end of World War II. This is the first time. It's the first time the Western countries refuse to go there, and that the others come on the Red Square. Once this said, at the heart of our discussion here, why am I convinced that a multipolar world is more natural than a unipolar moment? I'm convinced about that because each country has its own culture. I started my speech by reminding you that I lived in several countries, and my personal conviction is that each country has its own culture and has to be respected as such. One cannot impose in a sustainable way a system which was thought out, conceived, developed by a different culture than our own, because our culture is guiding our acts and deeds on a daily basis. What do I mean with the world? The word culture. I'm not speaking about art and music, which are respectable things. I mean by culture, for example, von Hayek defined in his book Law, Legislation and Liberty, published in 1983 in French, for the French edition. Culture says, he says, it's a tradition of learned rules of conduct which have never been invented and whose function the acting individuals usually do not understand. It's surely justified to talk about cultural wisdom rather than natural wisdom. I also want to quote another writer, which is Edward Hall, an anthropologist who is considered the father of the discipline of intercultural relations. He says culture is an invisible control mechanism operating in our thoughts. Those among you who have lived in a foreign country have seen these occasions where the behavior of an individual seemed to be strange, surprising, incomprehensible, inappropriate, or even shocking. It could be a simple remark, the way they would look at you, or talk to you, or their table manners. In the same way, and we are not conscious of this fact, we can look strange or surprising to other individuals who have grown up into another culture. If you're in a French culture where you're not directly saying what you think, where you do not openly criticize other persons, when you go in cultures where people straightforwardly say what they think about you, you will consider it very violent. We have to accept the other's culture.
Ça peut être simplement une façon de vous regarder.
It can be a way to look at you.
Ou de vous parler, ou de se tenir à table, peu importe. La culture dont je vous parle, c'est quelque chose dont nous nous imprégnons, et vous allez comprendre pourquoi j'utilise particulièrement cette expression, c'est quelque chose dont nous nous imprégnons dans les premières années.
What we call hypothesis concerning life.
0 et 7 ans. C'est-à-dire que
this is what we get between 0 and 7 years old, at a time of our life when we don't have the spoken language. So there's a part of imitation and mimetic by the newborn. It's the parents and the people close to him who will transmit this culture.
En dehors de sa famille. Et cette culture,
this culture,
ce que certains appellent la
what
programmation
some call the programmation of the spirit, of the mind,
invisible,
or an invisible mechanism,
les normes, nos normes de
which
comportement,
comprises the norms, our values, our beliefs,
ou nos hypothèses sur la vie.
or our hypotheses concerning life.
Je viens m'y arrêter parce que c'est quelque chose dont on parle
This is
peu.
something which has to be explained.
Un exemple classique d'hypothèse sur la vie. Est-ce que l'homme est foncièrement bon?
For example, basic hypothesis on life. Is man fundamentally bad, or if man is fundamentally right?
Et donc nous sommes
When, after being born,
un peu fort.
are we being perverted? That's maybe too strong. By our environment, or are we completely,
c'est de nous empêcher de faire des bêtises.
are we bad, and it's our education to correct us there?
Si on prend le point de vue des constructions légales, juridiques dans les cultures.
If we take the legal constructions in this respect,
Où on pense que l'homme
in the American culture,
fondamentalement bon,
each one thinks that the law
les rapports humains ne seront
can be the same for everyone and should be applied in the same way in all circumstances.
des lois, des règlements. Les rapports entre les personnes se régleront plutôt face à face que dans les tribunaux et par l'intermédiaire de tiers, que l'on peut éventuellement appeler avocats, mais pas seulement. Dans les pays où on pense que l'homme est fondamentalement mauvais,
If you think man is essentially bad,
la construction juridique
the juridical and legal construction will be totally different,
plus serrée,
much
d'un tissu.
tougher, much more close to what's done, and the relations will be subjected to a juridical formalism. Look to what happens, for example, in the United States, where the juridical formalism is very strong. American contracts are incredibly thick for people of other culture. For the American culture, they're perfectly coherent, and it sticks to their culture.
Ce qui est important,
What is important here,
ce dont il est important à prendre conscience, c'est que ce que l'on reproche aux autres
what's being reproached to
relève bien
others
souvent
very
de
often
notre propre vision.
is generally because it doesn't fit with our own vision of the reality.
Toutes ces expériences à l'étranger m'ont appris que
All these experiences teach me
notre vision de la réalité.
that reality is not only but our vision of our own vision.
Vision de la réalité. Et ils pensent comme
So
nous.
they, the others, they have also their own vision of reality and are convinced that this is reality.
Et parallèlement à ça, quel que soit notre système,
Whatever our
nous
system,
pensons
we
que
think
c'est le meilleur.
that it's the best system and that the other are either bad or
C'est logique.
certainly not as good as ours.
Nous vivons, c'est le
Our
système
system
construit dans
is
notre
a,
culture.
is a system which has been constructed by our own culture.
Il ne faut pas le changer.
We don't
Il faut juste
we
essayer
don't
de
have
ne
to
pas
change it,
l'imposer
but we should not impose it
d'autres cultures qui, eux,
on
sont
members of other cultures
meilleures que le nôtre.
which believe their culture is superior and everybody
Nous prenons une vision
is
optimiste.
right.
On a raison.
To be optimistic, we could say everybody
Imposer
is right.
système
Impose a system which is conceived in a particular culture,
que l'on voit en ce moment
and it's what we see
dans le monde
now in the world.
imposer ce système
Impose this system
dans des pays
in
qui
countries
n'appartiennent pas à cette culture,
which
dans
don't
des pays qui ont
which are not part of
d'autres systèmes fondés
this
sur
culture and which have constructed another culture. This provokes what the psychologists call a cultural shock, which
on
makes
n'est pas à l'aise, qui fait qu'on ne se sent pas bien, qui fait qu'on perd ses
which-
repères.
which provokes we feel uneasy.
Si je reviens à mon
But
exemple
the
de
others.
tout à l'heure à propos du droit, dans les cultures,
In my example
on
on
pense
law,
que l'homme est plutôt mauvais foncièrement, ce qui est le cas de la culture américaine. Je vous renvoie au texte des pères fondateurs, vous verrez, il y a des choses étonnantes là-dedans.
if you think man is bad,
Euh,
as some of the founding fathers of the US did, and you can consult the text,
elle s'applique à tout le monde.
say the law is the law, it's applied to everybody in all circumstances.
On ne fait pas confiance à l'homme, on le contrôle.
We don't trust man, we control him.
Comme par exemple la culture française.
If you take the French culture or the Russian culture,
la loi c'est la loi.
We say the law is the law,
Bien sûr.
Of course.
Mais une loi, ça s'interprète.
But it needs interpretation.
En France,
in France,
la loi, ça s'interprète. À tous les niveaux de la hiérarchie française, vous avez des...
law is interpreted on all levels
qu'il est dans
of the society. At each level of the hierarchy, those in charge consider that a part of their prerogatives is to interpret the law or the rules. If we would apply all the laws to the letter,
donc les Français trouvent ça parfaitement normal. Maintenant, prenons un point de vue allemand.
Things would be crazy. If you now take the German standpoint, a German, unless he has lived long for a very long time in France, cannot guess when and how a law should be interpreted, which places him in a situation of inferiority against his French competitor.
Vous n'êtes pas choqués et vous savez instinctivement quelles sont les limites qui sont fixées à cette interprétation.
If you live in France, you know the limits imposed by the law. A foreigner doesn't know when, neither why and when and how. He feels inferior because he doesn't get it.
Il ne comprend pas.
He doesn't understand.
L'incompréhension mène à la méfiance. Comment faire confiance à quelqu'un qu'on comprend?
The incomprehension leads to distrust.
Et la méfiance
and distrust
mène éventuellement
could lead to aggressiveness.
Nous voyons en ce moment dans le monde.
And all the horrors we eventually see in the world right now.
Je ne vous ai donné que 2 exemples.
I only gave you 2 examples.
Il y a plus d'exemples.
Ending my speech.
Je mentionnerai en passant que ces différences que j'ai traitées sur le plan de la loi, elles existent un petit peu partout.
These differences on the law level, which I present on the law,
une vision différente de l'organisation.
It's true for the other aspects of the different cultures.
De la gestion du temps.
How to manage time.
Relative.
Of the relative importance of the personal relations.
De l'implication dans la relation.
Implication. Do I show my emotions or not? In certain countries, you never show your emotions. Doesn't mean you don't have emotions.
On a l'impression qu'on les met en scène. Tout le monde a raison. Tout le monde a raison dans son propre système.
Everybody's right in his own system.
Une autre source de malentendu, c'est l'importance
Another source of incomprehension.
Qu'est-ce qui est le plus important? C'est le groupe?
Is the issue of what's important, the individual or the groups?
Les Français aiment bien être considérés comme individualistes.
The French like to be considered as individuals.
Dans lesquels il est écrit que l'intérêt particulier doit céder devant l'intérêt général.
In fact, the personal interest must be overruled by the general interest.
Les rapports humains, dans tous les domaines, sont marqués par les cultures de chacun.
Human relations are defined by various cultures.
Et j'ai pas besoin, je pense, d'expliquer ça en détail à tous ceux d'entre vous qui ont vécu dans un autre pays que leur pays natal. Mais si en plus de ça, le système qu'on vous impose, on vous l'impose avec une bonne dose de condescendance, quand c'est pas une franche arrogance,
a system imposed in this way will necessarily be
ça devient franchement
unstable and unsupportable.
Pour faire admettre,
to make accept a population
en opposition avec sa culture,
in opposition to its own culture,
et de façon permanente,
in a permanent fashion,
je ne connais qu'une solution.
There's only one solution which I know about. That's violence.
Mais comme le disait mon professeur de philosophie,
so as my philosopher teacher said, the use of violence is a proof of weakness. Any system imposed by force is by definition an unstable system.
Seul un système
Only a multipolar system
qui permet de tenir compte
which takes care of the cultural particularities
avec, bien entendu,
of each culture with, of course, an international law recognized by all, and which guarantees
un ordre mondial satisfaisant.
a satisfying world order.
Seul, à mon avis, ce système
only that system
se développer et apporter
can
la stabilité.
develop and bring stability.
Pour conclure,
I will conclude my remarks
je voudrais paraphraser
by paraphrasing a recent declaration of President Putin,
qui a dit,
who said,
pour construire
in
une
order to build a realistic
je vous dis, pour construire une politique internationale,
and performing international policy,
parler de politique
in
économique.
fact, he was taking the
Donc,
case
pour
about
construire une
economics.
politique internationale réaliste et performante, il faut un cerveau.
We need obviously a brain,
Mais il faut
but
aussi
also a heart to understand the consequences of our actions upon people. If the people feel that we have a heart and a real desire to listen to them, they will trust
Ils
us.
accepteront les efforts qu'on leur demandera.
Once we will have their trust, they will accept the efforts that they are demanded of them. Otherwise, they will not accept them, and we will have no other choice but to give up our action or to pursue it under the protection of force, be it the police or the army. In some countries, it is symptomatic that the police forces start to resemble to the armed forces of the country,
Son équipement,
from whom they are adopting the equipment
est-ce que c'est le
and the
signe
methods.
d'une grande instabilité à venir?
Is it the sign of a
Je vous remercie.
rising instability? Thanks for your attention.